So, in conclusion, the essence of the ceramic fire coating, ceramic fire retardant, is to just form a protective barrier to protect your property from fire, so that in the event of fires like electrical fire from cables that can arise due to power surge, high voltage, fake cables, old cables, illegal connections, faulty appliances, and there are so many causes of fire that can start from electrical fire. So in such fires, if the ceiling is coated with the ceramic fire retardant, it will prevent such fire. It will serve as a sort of insurance, so you can be rest assured that your property, your earned money that you invested in the property is secured. So in events of fire inside the building also, if the fire starts from inside the building from other sources, it will stop where the cable touches the ceiling. Itself, it's normally, if it's not protected, it is such cables that will make the ceiling to start burning and spread to the rest of the building. So in such instances, the fire will stop where the cable touches the ceiling. It will not be able to affect the ceiling. Or if the curtain or some other material touches the ceiling and the fire starts inside the building, it will prevent it from affecting the ceiling and spreading. Or if the fire starts from other sources like electrical sources, it will prevent it from starting fire, not to talk of it degenerating and dumping some coals on the property that might start building inside that might start fire inside the building. So overall, the overall thing is that the building is safe when you apply our ceramic fire retardant on it, and it is cheap and affordable, and to the best of my knowledge, it's the only available protective coating in Nigeria at this present time, and it is economically friendly and it is harmless. It's just like any other coating. When you apply it, when you finish, you wash off your hands. It has no effect, no negative effect on the body whatsoever. So thank you and have a nice day.